Summers are here, and today I'm going to talk about how do you treat body odor. Well, before that, we should know what is body odor and how does it form. Usually, sweat is odorless, doesn't have any smell, but when it gets mixed with bacteria, that's where in the closed areas like your armpits or your groins, that is where the smell begins to occur and we call it as body odor. Well, there are two types of sweat glands in the body. One, when you go to the gym and you're sweating all over the body, that's done by eccrine glands and the sweat is very watery. But there are two places in the body wherein we get little sticky kind of sweat which is secreted by apocrine glands in the underarms and in the groins. And that is where the bacteria also flourish. Because of the stickiness and high rich in the protein sweat, odor begins to form. Well, other reasons or other factors are also when you're having maybe bad body hygiene, or it could be also because of the humid weather. It could also be because if you're using too much of synthetic clothes, or if you have some medical condition like hyperhidrosis. Sometimes excessive spicy food and alcohol also leads to body odor. So now let's come to how do you treat body odor. Some general informative points or something you should follow. Have bath daily, twice a day with antibacterial soaps. Use breathable fabrics like cotton. Don't wear occlusive clothes. Shave and trim the area of your underarms and your pubic area so that the friction doesn't hold the sweat more over there. And of course, last not the least, reduce your spice intake or alcohol intake. Keep the area dry. These are some general instructions which you can follow. Now coming to specific one. We have availability of antiperspirants or anti-sweat sprays and deodorants which are available can be applied directly on the skin because they contain aluminium salts. Now, especially aluminium chloride hexahydrate is one substance which is available in these perspirants, and when you apply, they block the sweat gland pores so that the sweat doesn't come on the skin surface, so that it is unavailable for the bacteria and you do not get the odor. Second is you have deodorants. You can of course spray them all over the body. They just help to mask the smell of the body and you feel fresh, and you have many available deodorants, you all know about it. Third is botulinum toxin. Now this is a medical grade line which we use when the perspiration is extremely high. We use it for arms, underarms, palms, upper lip, forehead, any of the area where the perspiration is too much. I mean, even beyond the body odor kind of a level. Botox actually helps in reducing the sweat production itself from the gland because it blocks the nerve transmission. And this is why you get dry underarms, dry palms, dry soles for about good 4 to 6 months. It's not a permanent solution, but it gives you a new life altogether. If you are somebody who is suffering from body odor or hyperhidrosis, where the sweat production is a lot in the body for any reason. So botulinum toxin, if you go to a doctor, come to us also, we'll help you to get you under one session and you'll see the magic which unfolds with it. It's a new life completely. It stops the sweat production and you'll feel really relieved with the problem of body odor and at the same time hyperhidrosis. And last not the least, there are also some surgeries which are available in cases where the sweat is over the board and you really cannot. It's called a sympathectomy, but it's not really performed very commonly. Usually the antiperspirants, the deodorants, All Dry is one brand which is available in the market and you can always purchase it, use it at night so that the sweat production doesn't happen in the morning. These are simple treatments and it's still not botulinum toxin. There will be one solution which you can come to a dermatologist and ask for it, and it gives promising results. So this is all about taking you free from body odor in this summer, and this is Dr. Parul. Do DM us if you want to know more about the botulinum toxin for body odor and hyperhidrosis. Thank you.